So this is a quick video about velocity and its definition. First of all, we need to talk about vectors and scalars. So the scalar quantity for movement is speed. That's telling you how fast you're moving, but it doesn't really care about direction. So speed is what you normally think about when you think about how fast you're going in a car. Velocity is a more scientific term, and it's a vector quantity. That means it's not only about how fast you're moving, but it's about how fast you're moving in a defined direction where there's a positive and a negative. Example here of something moving in a circle. This particle can have positive velocity in one direction, and by the time it's gone halfway around the circle, it's got negative velocity. And as it completes one loop, well, its displacement, how far it's moved from its home position, is back to zero. So it's had an average velocity of zero. The negatives and the positives knock each other out. So just definitions of velocity. It's the rate of change in displacement. That's the vector quantity of distance. This is the vector quantity of speed. You can think of it as speed in a particular direction, and if you want to work out the average velocity of something, well, it's the change in displacement divided by the amount of time. Hope that's helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.